Hi, so what you see here is my Temu package. So my package arrived, I ordered it on January 9th and it actually arrived on the 18th. So it actually arrived in two separate packages. I ordered this particular one and it came a day early. And then this big package, and you see how huge this package is. It's about 18 inches, a little bit over 2 feet. You could see the thickness here. So this is a huge package here. So, it is way better as far as the delivery time than Alibaba. Alibaba, when I order from Alibaba, sometimes it takes 4 to 6 weeks. This thing took less than 2 weeks. So let's open it up and you could see all of the stuff I got from here. So if you're not very urgent with a lot of these packages here, then this is the perfect site for you because it is cheap and all of these are basically from China. So let's face it, it's going to be, in some ways, it's actually the same stuff that you get from Amazon Marketplace, which is all basically drop shipped from.
So in many ways, this is no different than the Amazon dropship, where people don't actually own the items when they're selling them. They're just dropping them basically from the manufacturer. So this is actually a lot better. It comes probably relatively quickly. So you can see here, I ordered 10 items. So let me go to the details here. And it only cost me $54. So I ordered it at around January 9th and it came on January 17th. So that is less than 9 days. So if I go on the details here, you can see all the individual stuff I bought. So this here is a thermometer for an aquarium. I have this extender outlet here. And then here's the Lenovo headphones. So you'll see a lot of this in the commercials on YouTube where they'll try to sell you these Lenovo headphones, and I got this for $9. So this is actually cheaper than $9. So even for this, because I'll have a 30% coupon or I'll have a $5 coupon I could stack on top of it, and I'll show you that later on. So you can see I have a bunch of these fish tank bubbles, the double-sided tape, and a lot of these, 3 of these. I bought 3 of these big bins, and then a bigger bin at the bottom here, and then the artificial plants. So you can see here, I'm stacking so this here was 30%. It totaled $72. And basically by the end of it, it was 30% off minus $21. And so all of these items that you see, you could just subtract 30% from it. So even these headphones, for example, 30%, I got it for basically $2 extra off. So it's an amazing deal, even with this plug. How much is that? $4 extra off. So you could see all of this stuff was just $54, and it came in a reasonable amount of time. And like I mentioned, a lot of this stuff is the same exact stuff you'll see in Amazon Marketplace. And I'll show you the details when I do my unboxing. So here's a quick look before I do the unboxing here. So you can see that I have the expandable bins, I have the extender, the temperature monitor at the top, and also the fish bowl decorations. Also in the middle there, you could see the Lenovo. So you could see that I have 4 of those dishwashing expandable sink bins. So those actually take a lot of room to deliver, and yet it still came within 9 days, 8 days. So, so let me show you here how it was actually packaged. It was actually packaged pretty decently and safe and durable during transport.
So I can imagine a lot of these packages you could expect it to arrive within 2 weeks from Temu. So they've really streamlined the overseas delivery. Now this particular one did come from overseas. So even from overseas, it took about 10 to 12 days, which is reasonable. Now, I would still buy from my credit card, just so if I could dispute or need to dispute anything, it would be pretty easy to dispute. With credit cards, they usually will honor or refund you the money outside of the website itself. So definitely when you're buying stuff like this from overseas, China, where, the policy is going to change anytime, you really do want to protect yourself with, so it doesn't come clean in a nice little Amazon box, where it's like very, very structured. You can see it's just a bag that is packaged up in a bunch of other boxes. So let's see. Let's see how it actually looks. So I did buy a bunch of stuff, and you can see it's a variety of stuff, big and small. These are actually aquarium landscape trees. Maybe I will do an unboxing. You can see I got a 3 set of, I guess, coupons here. Put that aside. Got this aquarium bubble thing. Got this wall adapter. So everything looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Nothing seems like it's damaged. I got this sticky tape. Small roll here. So at the end of this video, I'll show you everything I got from the website. Again, be safe, order through your credit card. And also, just looking at this stuff, you do kind of, it's going to be, I want to say, assume, how should I say this? Assume that it's kind of like third rate. No disrespect to any of this stuff, because it is the same stuff that you're going to get basically from Amazon Marketplace. And it is what looks like the same stuff from Alibaba. It's just that they streamline a lot of the shipping, as far as the overseas shipping. So I'm gonna, open a lot of this up, just to get a good sense of. So to be honest, a lot of this, it's your first time seeing this, and it's actually my first time seeing this. This is my first purchase from Temu. And of course, you're just flooded with a lot of these commercials online. So, it's interesting to see how this turns out. So this is a rack extender. So this is not bad. So it doesn't look damaged. It's a little bit cheaper quality than I thought, but would have been the same sort of thing that I would have gotten from Amazon. Huh. Kind of happy about this. Hopefully it holds up. Set this aside. Now for this particular light switch. Opening this up. See how this looks. Once again, not bad. 4 USBs. And this brand is right on Amazon, so I will have a link in the description area, except that, this is, quite a lot cheaper than even on Amazon Marketplace. So Amazon Marketplace is just all the stuff that people, individual entrepreneurs buy from China to drop ship from Amazon warehouses to your home, except that right here, you're buying straight from the person in China, so it's a lot cheaper. And Temu does have a bunch of coupons. So you could see I got a bunch of these other stuff that is actually the same as the rack itself. So I'm going to open this up a little bit and see how this shapes up. So this isn't bad looking. In fact, this looks great as far as a aquarium ornament. So these are the type of stuff that you would buy. Of course, if you're looking for high quality items, I wouldn't get it from Temu. These are all kind of like the cheap China items that you would get, if it's lost in the mail or whatever, or if you have to do a credit card dispute, you're not too concerned about it. So, but overall, it looks like I'm pretty satisfied with this. These Lenovo earbuds, hopefully they're real from Lenovo. Like these were $10. And supposedly they're $50 on Amazon. Again, I'll have a link to Amazon. You could verify that yourself. But as far as the question of, how fast does the Temu packages come? It looks like they do come within 2 weeks. So I live on the East Coast in Massachusetts, and so it looks like and I will show you at the end of this video the tracking. So check out the tracking and you could determine by yourself. But everything looks like it's in fairly. So the other thing I want to mention is that this was delivered by UPS. The first part of this package was delivered by USPS, the postal service. So it was transferred from the China air post to each individual carrier, such as UPS, FedEx, USPS, postal service. So that's how it works. No differently than a lot of times how all the other stuff works. All right. Check out the links below. Support this channel by subscribing and thumbs up this if it helps. That's really it. Just rambling on at this point. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.